is TV, and for today's special episode, we are in Japan. Bro, it's so cold. So without further ado, let me introduce to you our guest for today, the recent winner of Universal Con, Elodea Goshiengfao. Clap, clap. Why is your name like that? It sounds so weird and peculiar.
I think you should be the one asking that. I mean, why is your name Photosynthesis? Would you bother explaining, Lel?
So here, my friends have an environmental advocacy, and they believe that I am an under condition, and I was meant to Look, let me just define photosynthesis, and it's up to you to decode how I was named after it. Photosynthesis is a process in which carbon dioxide are utilized to synthesize an energy-rich carbohydrate relatively termed as glucose. It is a vital process for photoautotrophs.
Oh, okay. Let's leave. Okay, enough with that. But the thing about me is that I really admire science, lol.
You are so funny. Okay, let's proceed to the interview. We only have a few time. Okay, what are the steps that you took for you to win the Universal Cosplay Contest? Kindly rare your preparations.
Okay, so here's how my story goes. I really wish I could go to Japan because I love animes and cosplaying and I love sushi and I love science.
Science, but aside from that, I like all the things they just watch TV. Yeah.
Do you love anime? Do you love cosplay? Well,
OMG, what is
do you
this?
want to go to Japan? Then the Universal Cosplay is for you. A chance to win a trip to Japan. To register, text your name, space your cosplay, and send it to 87000. Hurry! The deadline for registration is due until today.
Elodea, it's just a scam. Just watch your favorite series, The Adventure of Dr. E.
Yay!
What is up with Noname? Oh well.
Yay! It's Doctor Who and Il.
Hey there! For today's episode, we will be experimenting using an Elodea plant to know more about photosynthesis.
Specifically in how the environmental conditions greatly affect photosynthesis.
We hypothesize that more oxygen bubbles will appear in the setup exposed to a light source.
In contrast, less bubbles or none at all will appear in the covered setup.
This shows how the presence of light influences photosynthesis immensely.
Two sprigs of Elodea,
Yay, it's like me, Elodea. This will be my fab episode.
baking soda, a piece of black cloth, steering rod, tap water, tongs, graduated cylinders, and also a timer or watch.
Oops! But wait! We must transform into a super Pisayan for safety purposes.
Good thinking, Dr. Il.
Okay, let's start.
Firstly, we will pour 100 ml of tap water to each graduated cylinder.
Next, we add the baking soda to the two graduated cylinders. And then stir it thoroughly. And then we label one graduated cylinder as setup A and other as setup B.
So the yellow graduated cylinder will be the setup A, while the red will be the setup B.
Okay, so I and Dr. Il went to different locations. And I am under intense sunlight along with setup A and a sprig of Elodea. So now we are going to drop the Elodea.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
We are here in a relatively dark area, and before we drop the other Elodea sprig, we will cover the setup B with black cloth. We will crush the end of the sprig of Elodea, and then we will put it inside the setup B. In 3, 2, 1, go. Now we will count the number of bubbles that will appear. So we are finished with the experiment proper.
All that's left is to discuss.
No, stop this, stop this, stop this, stop.
Viewers, I am Noname and please watch Universal Coscon today later at 3 p.m. And thank you to my sponsors, Veg, Watermelon, Adworks for my weapon props. Support me later, support me, please watch.
You just spent an hour in our show, how dare you? Now we can't explain the results in discussion.
Due to technical difficulties, the Universal Coscon will be played in this channel after 3 hours. The Adventures of Dr. Il.
Why was Noname there? That was very weird. But great episode with Dr. Who-hin and Dr. Il. Hello?
This Elodea Goshiengfao.
Yes, why?
Are you ready for the cosplay? Quick! The show will start in 3 hours.
What? I didn't even...
Hey, what are you waiting for? You and Noname are the only contestants in this show. Go to the studio now.
What was that about? Oh no, I need to show up. But what will I dress up as? They said it should be something that I have sufficient knowledge about. Oh, I know.
What are you waiting for? You need to rehearse. Come on, come on.
What am I supposed to say?
I formally welcome you to the Universal Coscon 2014. Now, I welcome you, our 2 contestants. Noname as Rurouni and Elodea Goshiengfao as an Elodea plant. Okay, enough of the runway. Now, it's question and answer portion. So may we call in again the 2 contestants, Rurouni and Elodea. You go first, Elodea. First, explain your very unique cosplay inspiration.
An Elodea is a multicellular organism with chlorophyll that is a photoautotroph that thrives in aquatic conditions. To better explain its photosynthetic properties, I will explain the results of an experiment conducted about it. When an Elodea is soaked in water with baking soda for a period of time, bubbles will appear. These bubbles are the oxygen produced by the Elodea. It is known that oxygen is a byproduct of photosynthesis. Thus, it signifies that photosynthesis is occurring. We can then relate that more oxygen bubbles appear means that a more active photosynthesis is occurring. However, if the environmental conditions are altered, for example, one water baking soda Elodea setup is placed in a darker environment, there will be a decrease in the number of oxygen bubbles appearing because the plant will receive less light. This shows that exposure to light can significantly activate photosynthesis if this is compared to the setup B. Thank you.
Whoa, very prepared and very witty of you. Okay, with this scientific statement, what can you infer from the experiment?
I therefore conclude that light is proven to be a very vital ingredient in photosynthesis, and the success of photosynthesis is also dependent upon the presence of or absence of light. Thank you for appreciating the experiment.
That would be very hard to beat. Okay, go Rurouni, because you're very annoying everybody during Elodea's speech. Your question will be slightly harder. For your question, what would be the circumference of an average Elodea stem if it is soaked in HCl solution and left for 10 minutes? And later, left in the refrigerator and then preheated for 10 seconds in 700 degrees Celsius. Lastly, left in the presence of water for 5 hours.
100 meters.
Wrong.
True.
Okay, time's up. We will now announce the winner. With an average score of 99.69 and winning the most photogenic award. Drum roll, please. The winner is Elodea Goshiengfao.
So that's the story of how I won the Universal CosCon, and it's all thanks to Dr. Who-hin and Dr. Il. As a matter of fact, they're here.
Hi, Miss Photosynthesis Aquino.
Oh my gosh, they're here! Hello! Yay! So that was a great story of success. Okay, everybody happy already? Well, except for no name. Okay, let's do Zumba.